Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is quick and easy day, so this is super quick and easy, y'all. I love making these little pouches. These are great for classrooms. They go so fast. You can have your kids help you with these. You don't even have to put a window in it. I just love the window because I like to see the candy, but this is it right here. This is for a birthday, and it says sending birthday hugs. And it's got that cute little mouse hugging the heart. He's so cute. Now on this one, the next one I'm doing, I made it a little bit puffier because these candies just barely fit. Like I think M&Ms and Skittles, I've always done them with like M&Ms. I'm going to do the next one with M&Ms or Skittles or something like that. Although I did make this one a little bit bigger, so these little candies should fit in really easily. I got these are Lifesavers. They're called the Cream Savers. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and it comes in a long tube, and I just took them out of there. They're all individually wrapped, and yeah, so this is what I'm sharing today. I'm doing a different color, same designer series paper, just a different color. And these are great for Christmas stocking stuffers as well. So I am using the Hearts and Hugs. This is available now. I know last time I did the video, this one was out of stock, but it is back, and it has the Hearts and Hugs dies, which is a bundle. So I am using both. I'm still going to use the little mouse because he's so stinking adorable. I love this hamster. I've actually used this in a project already. I actually made my husband a anniversary card with these little walruses. It's so cute. And yeah, and then we're using our stylish shapes, and we're going to use the second largest circle for the circle in here, the window. And you do need a piece of designer series paper that's 9 by 5, and then you're going to need some basic white to stamp on. I'm using the thick, and then a piece of 3 by 3 window sheet. Make sure you use a good window sheet on these too, because it really helps keep the form of the treat holder. And then these are the dies that I'm using for this. All right, let's get started by just stamping. Oh, I'm going to tell you the designer series paper. It is the Flowering Zinnias. I love this paper. Both sides I love on it. So this is the one I used for the first one, and then this is the other one. But both sides of this is really pretty. Look at the polka dots. And this one has the purple and check. Yeah, and that's striped. There's a lot of really pretty patterns in this one. Even the flowers would be really cute. Let's stamp. So I am going to stamp here first the little mouse in Memento because we're coloring him. I am using my Ohuhu markers to color him. He's so stinking cute. And then I am going to, I thought I cut a piece for the sentiment, but I can't. I don't see it here, so I'm going to just stamp on the edge here. Now I'm going to need to make it longer, so I'll stamp right here. It says sending birthday hugs, and then I'm going to take my markers, and I'm just going to use, because I'm using the pink on this one because the paper has this red and pink color. So I'm just going to take these. Got to remember which ones these are. This is the mid-tone because I do have the mid-tone markers too. And I'm just going to color, like scribble some colors. I'm going to cut out the hearts out of this just so it looks a little bit different. You can color them once they're cut out, but I found that this way is a little bit easier. And we're going to color our little mouse too here. Just to make them a little variegated, I guess is the word. Okay, let's first, for those of you who have these, I am using CG200, CG020, CG050, RB270, R200, and R6. Alright, so let's start by coloring him, and we're going to color him the lightest gray. Let me zoom in for you on this, because he's little. Alright, so I'm just going to start coloring him the lightest gray. He's so darn cute. These little animals in this are so cute. And I love the hugs. Alright, and then I think this one is the next. Yeah. I'm going to shade this a little bit. And these are so close, you really can't see a whole lot of shade. I am going to use a darker gray a little bit here too. Just like under here. On his ears. I'm going to do his tail. I love the point on this because you can get right in the center of that tail. And his little feet. And I'm just going to take that lighter color and blend that in. And I am going to use the light pink here, and I'm going to give him some little cheeks. And in his ear, and on his nose. He's so stinking cute. Alright, for the heart, I'm going to use this light pink. I need to really, I really like when they have the chisel and the point. I mean, this brush. But I didn't know they made them, and they do make it with the chisel. So we're using that, and then I'm just going to shade the heart just a little bit. So that they're all like the same, like all of mine are chisel and brush. Alright, so we have a die to cut him out right here, and then we have the little hearts I'm going to put on here. So they're going to just look a little bit different colored. I'm going to run those through the cut and emboss. We do have to run the window through with the circle, but we'll do that in just a minute. Okay, so I'm back with those hearts and the little cute little, look how cute he is. And let's get my little piercer and we'll get these hearts. So see how we have like a lighter one. Oh no, those all are coming out. I got mostly dark on those, but it's alright. These two are very variegated, but I'm going to add, because this one corner doesn't have it. Alright, so those are what we're using here. Okay, so we are going to make the box, and we are going to score this piece right here. And I had to zoom you out because I actually forgot to zoom it out. And I went on with the video and you couldn't see, it was just too close. So I am starting this part over again. I do this sometimes, y'all. You know how I do? I'll forget to zoom you back out. Okay, so we are going to score this. And when we score this, you are going to want to score it only on the 9-inch side. And you're going to score it with the thicker side of this ball, that's the bigger side, because you don't want to go through your paper. And so we're going to do it at 1/2 and 4 3/4. And that's it. That's all you're scoring. Now we do have to put our window in, and I'm just going to use my fingers to fold this. And we're going to put it in the center here. So I'm going to hold that closed so I can try to get this, make sure this is centered. And we're going to put it right here. And I am just going to run that through the cut and emboss, but open it up before you run it through, and then I'll be right back with that. Okay, so we have our hole in there for our window. Now we just need, I'm going to use wet glue for this. Put it around the circle on the inside. I love the inside of this paper, by the way. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to put that on there. And you want to wait a minute for that to adhere before you go on, but I'm going to go ahead and move on with it. If you get any glue on the window sheet on the outside, just use, you can be very careful if you use a alcohol swab. Don't touch your paper because your paper will get wet. Just try to get it from the inside, outside here. All right, now I'm going to use some Seal Plus on this 1/2 inch piece right here. I like using something, use your tear and taper or your plus for this part. And then we're going to line this up. Make sure you got it straight. And there we go. Just seal that. And then what I like to do is just take my wet glue, and I'm going to crimp the end of this, but you do not have to do that. Seal that. When you do this, because this is bigger, you want to start in the center and then just press it down. And then this part you do want to wait a minute before that dries. I'm going to grab my crimper really quick, and I'll try to find this on Amazon. I'll link it for you in the description, because I've had this for years. Remember when crimping everything was so popular? But look how cute it looks after it's crimped. I like the look of that. All right, and then we're going to put our candy in first. Remember to do that. So put your candy in, but don't the M&Ms look so cute in there? I love M&Ms in there. And the Skittles as well. And then you're going to have to glue this other side as well. Again, go from your center out like that. Make sure that's all sealed down before you crimp it. The crimping actually helps to seal it down too. And then we'll do this one again, this side. See if I can line this one up better. I didn't line that side up too good. Make sure it's even. Yeah, that one's better. I'm going to do this side over because I want it nice and... Okay, that looks better. But isn't it cute? I love the little pouch on it. All right, I am going to grab my 1/4 inch circle punch, and I am going to punch a hole right in the center here. We're going to add some ribbon. Because this has a little bit of pink in it, I'm going to use this Pretty in Pink ribbon for this one. And I am just going to tie a knot, y'all. Just like that. I'm going to grab my scissors here. And then we're going to add our cute little mouse. I need to cut my sentiment right here. And then I'm going to flag the end on this one. And we're going to put that right here at the bottom. I'm going to glue it on. These make such cute little birthday party favors. I'm going to use some dimensionals for him because he's so darn cute. I'm going to put him right here, holding his little heart, and then I'm going to add these other hearts. I actually only need 3, so I'm going to use the cutest ones, and we're going to put some up here. I actually could have done these all the light pink because they would show up better on the red paper. So there you have it. that's it, y'all. It's all done super quick and easy. Here's the other one. This is the same designer series paper, but you see how I made it bigger so that you can fit the thicker candy in it. So yeah, they fit M&M's, Skittles, anything like that. The small candies would fit in here just perfect. All right, everyone, I hope you all have a blessed day. If you want to place an order, this is my August host code. When you place the order, I appreciate you using it. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.